likod.
Proposing daw sila.
American military.
Ano yan?
Gini.
Ay, sus. Puro likod. Sana. Yun. Likod. Okay. Ano ba naman? Oh. Malayo ang tingin. Nakatingin sa halaman. Ba, tinitingnan din ang bridge. Ayan. Mga tourist. Ba, ito ay isang major tourist.
Napunta tayo sa kabila?
Doon sa baba daw.
Sino bumaba doon?
Aliw na aliw. Talaga naman. We're at the foot of the Golden Gate. Under kami. Ayun, kita mo sa taas.
Punan pa kami din eh.
Okay. Okay. Pausing pa yung dalawa. Ano daw? Dapit tayo.
Dito sa nakalikod sa ako dito.
Yun, kaya pala itong itinuturo. Tinuturo niya yung Golden Gate. Sanay naman ang pausing. So, okay. Okay na. Hindi pa rin. Akit pa kami doon sa taas. Yan, ganda ng araw. Sus.
Engineering po niya.
Yan, magandang pagbuhat
Ha?
may araw.
Yung Bay Bridge
We're on
ito.
top. Right.
Yung Bay Bridge ito. Doble.
Saan kalulugan dito sa mundong lugawan dahil sitim na rito
Marami kasi ako napasa rito.
Paano pa sila paano pa sila
Engineering niya.
mga kapatid mo'y
Sama-sama.
Nagtabi-tabi. Yan, yung malaki
yung niyakap nyo?
Yung malaki yan.
Makapal naman ho sa alam to yun. Hindi. Hindi, nakita nyo doon yung iyayakap nyo? Pero yun nakaganon nyo.
away magpahinga
Maliit na kumpisa yan sa maliit na maliit.
away bumigay
Yan, ninorol na ganon.
managinip
Baka tapos kasamahin ulit, rorolin ulit. Kung ilang, halimbawa, 10. 10 ulit, 10 ulit. Palagay mo tapoy.
ikaw ay
Where are they going? Looks like they're going. Oh, okay. That big redwood. Ah, nakadati na po. Nakadipa si Cristo. Ito mo naman yan, ha? Nakadipa si Cristo. Ay, sus. Oh. Sana si Mother. Wala, yun. Ni Odin.
Oh, dami pa balik-balik.
Bakit may nahuli yung tinukunan dun? Naging photographer. Asus! Okay. So we're on the other side of the bridge this time. Oh, I see. How windy it is. Mahangin na kami. So ayan na, may mga sabit na sweaters. naman ah. For the love of the bridge. Panay ang posing eh. Oh, sikat talaga. Close up yata ang binabanata nun.
Trailer. It's on the shoulder of northbound 101 at South Airport Boulevard. Emergency vehicles are handling that. So for southbound Highway 101, south of Interstate 380, that is in the slow lane.
We're on our way out. Line up ng taon na.
Have a receipt, please.
Have a weekend.
You too, thank you. So, interesado sa kape?
Sa mga maliliit na
Ito nga ang punta natin. Talagang turo-turo yung pupuntahan natin. Sa San Francisco.
Kaya makita ko tama. Alam mo ba nakakalitan dyan yan? Lalo na nakakakain ng marami.
Fisherman's Wharf.
So, thank you kaya yun. Where are they? Check them all. Yun. Gutom.
Just like drop me off at work, right?
Yan mo na, yan mo na.
Lagay mo sa kamay niya.
Got it. Nice meeting you.
Pushing ko siya.
May pagkamay. Potato cells. I'll think about the other stuff. Well, then we get on down the road. Hey, General, you fried rice, I know, but all right. Frost, zipper.
That's me. Come here. Come here, Megan. Just look. Put it in this cup. Can you do that?
Mahirap to.
Alcatraz. Panay naman ang posting. Naman ang aming tourist. Yun, ang Alcatraz. Nako. Lamig.
Dito na. Hindi, dito ang magandang building.
Sabi niya tao nga. Saan kami galing? Over there. Oh, we came from down there. We came from down there. Okay. There. We went there. So now, we went up. And here they are. Watching it down again. Look at that. Good day. Okay. Hapon ano habatay. Sabi niya, labo naman ang mata ko. Bakit hindi ko makita? Yung pala nakatutok sa laki to. Ito pa isa. Oh, ang dami daw ibon. Oh, ang dami daw ibon. Okay. Hi, Lala.
Because I thought you guys would be back already. Tina's house.
This is Lala's masterpiece.
What's too bad, alright?
Mom! Mom!
He kickstarts it again.
The other one is breakable.
Oh my god, he's gonna run me over.
Oh god, that scared me. Lola goes.
See, in
He pressed the front brakes and he goes.
Harley Davidson.
That also like this. Here.
I don't think so.
Repair this here.
Motorcycle?
This story.
I'll be dang.
This
Oh, la!
shape. Just this
There
here.
it is! Forget it, it's dirty now. Forget it. Ask me for another one.
It's the cloth, it's the brakes. It's just the shape. But
Burn.
the shape is here. Yeah. That is the
Okay.
that is the old model. I don't know now. It's
Lola goes.
perfect already.
He went for the other one, came up. That's the
Very
brake
hard.
pedal. He
Yes,
goes,
spin. How
and
can you?
then he hit
How
the
can you
acceleration.
spin with this one? If you are going to use this, spin. Oh, like this.
Hi, baby.
Forget. What?
I don't trust this
You
car.
forgot already?
Two flashes on there?
Oh.